Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Canon in D on guitar for beginners. We'll start by learning the 4 essential open chords: G major, D major, E minor, and C major. These are fundamental for many songs. Remember to place your capo on the 2nd fret. This will help you achieve the correct key and sound, just like the original piece. We will make this classic accessible and fun for everyone. Now, let's dive into the core of Canon in D, its beautiful chord progression. You'll play G, then D, followed by E minor, and finally C major. Repeat this sequence 4 times to complete one full section. For a simple rhythm, try a down, up strumming pattern. Practice transitioning smoothly between each chord. This is key to making it sound fluid and musical. Once you are comfortable with strumming, let's explore a simple fingerpicking pattern. Use your thumb for the bass notes on the 6th, 5th, or 4th strings, depending on the chord. Your index finger will pluck the 3rd string, and your middle finger will handle the 2nd string. Focus on plucking each note clearly and evenly. This will add a beautiful, delicate texture to your playing. To truly master Canon in D, consistent practice is essential. Always begin slowly, focusing on clean notes and smooth chord changes. Speed will come with time. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes every day to your guitar. Also, listen to the original piece often to internalize its beautiful rhythm and feel. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing this classic in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.